You have heard about chicken fried rice, then prawn fried rice, also egg fried rice. But how about a fried rice with all these elements mixed together into a one-pan goodness? Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Let's start with the chicken. I have taken boneless, skinless chicken thighs which I have cut into very thin slices. Always make very thin slices whenever it comes to stir-fry recipes because it is all about quick cooking on high heat. Next I grated a clove of garlic. Nowadays I use this small microplane zester if I need a small amount of garlic or ginger paste. It literally grates the garlic to a paste and I absolutely love this thing. A squeeze of lemon juice, soy sauce, cornstarch, and finally a pinch of baking soda that tenderizes the meat. Also some freshly crushed black pepper. Mix everything very well and keep it aside while you do your other prep work. Next, coming to the prawns, a squeeze of lemon juice to get rid of that prawny smell. And you do not need those seeds, of course. Little soy sauce. Mix very well and you are done with the prawns. Pan over medium-high heat. And keep all your ingredients ready because everything goes pretty fast in a stir-fry recipe. Oil goes in. The prawns are the first ones to enter the pan. Place them in a single layer on medium-high heat. Leave them untouched like this for a minute. After 2 to 3 minutes, turn one of them and if you see this golden color, then it's time to turn. Fry them for 3 more minutes on the other side. But guys, remember that prawns of this size get cooked very quickly, and if you keep on frying them thinking they are not yet fully cooked, then you will end up getting very rubbery prawns that will lose all their flavor. Take them out once they turn golden brown in color. Next I added a bit more oil, medium-high heat. Now the chicken goes in. Spread the chicken as much as possible in a single layer so that each and every piece gets that maximum heat from the pan. Then for a few minutes resist your temptation from stirring them. In this way all the juices will be locked in. Once you see that golden brown color, then it's time to stir. Stir for a few minutes on medium-high heat. Then cover the pan on medium heat and let that steam cook the chicken. In between, uncover and give a stir. Okay, my chicken now looks perfect and it has turned tender, so time to take them out. There is still quite a bit of oil in the pan, so no need to add any more. Pan on medium-high heat. The aromatics go in first. Chopped garlic, ginger and chilies. Stir for a few seconds, then in goes chopped onions. Stir for a minute. Next, the carrots enter the scene with their vibrant orange beauty. Stir for about 2 minutes. Now it's time for the bell peppers. I have used red and green bell peppers, but you can use any bell peppers according to your preference. Just a sprinkle of salt to season the vegetables. Stir the vegetables on high heat for a few seconds. You do not want them to get mushy or lose their beautiful color. The last thing you want is some sad and pale looking vegetables. Okay, I made some space in the pan as my favorite ingredient is next in the line. Butter! And you do not have to use butter, but today I am making quite a special fried rice and anything with butter will taste good. I think you will agree with me on this. No doubt about that. Now it's time for the eggs to dive in. I used 4 eggs, added a sprinkle of salt and mixed very well. I allow the egg to settle down a little bit just like we do when we make an omelette. Do this on medium-low heat as you do not want the eggs to become rubbery. After the eggs start settling at the bottom, you can now start scrambling them gently. Okay, everything looks perfect. So now it's time for the star of the show, the rice, to enter the scene. Then the fried prawns and the chicken goes in, and do not forget all those juices in the bowl, guys. then freshly crushed black pepper, then soy sauce. This is vegetarian mushroom flavored sauce. You can use oyster sauce instead, or you can even use dark soy sauce, or you can leave it out entirely. It will still be very delicious. Finally, a drizzle of sesame oil for that beautiful nutty flavor. Now stir everything on high heat. Whenever I plan on making fried rice, I make the rice the day before. In that way, the rice doesn't stick to the pan and each grain remains separate. If you see any lump of rice, break it with the back of your spatula. Keep stirring and allow the rice to get well fried. And how will you know whether your rice is well fried or not? When you hear that frying noise, your ears will let you know that the rice is getting fried. And that's when you can call it a fried rice. I always trust my ears, nose, and taste buds when it comes to cooking. So my ears are now telling me the rice has got fried. So now I will be doing the taste test. It needs a little more salt, so I added a tablespoon more of soy sauce. Then green onions, or you can add any greens according to your preference. And finally, a squeeze of lemon juice for that freshness. This is such an incredible one-pot meal. You have the carbohydrates, the protein, and vegetables all together joining hands into one gorgeous deliciousness. I serve this with a salad, or you can even serve it with my mushroom stir-fry or maybe sweet and sour tofu, and they are all showing up on the screen. Please smash that like button so that this video reaches out to more people. Bye bye.